Hello children, good morning. Today we are going to learn about conversation. Okay, what is this? Bird. Okay, which bird? Crow. This is a crow. Okay, crow is a bird. Okay, crow is black in color. Okay, crow is black in color. Crow has two legs. Two legs. Crow has two wings. Okay, one, two. Two wings. Crow can fly. Okay. Crow can hop. Crow has a sharp beak. Okay. Crow has feathers. Crow lives on trees. Where does live? Trees. Okay. Crow lives near house. Okay. Crow eat grains, insect, small animal like this rat, uh, pigeon. Okay. Crow eats food waste. Crow is a clever bird. Which bird? Clever bird. Okay. Crow is a common bird. Crow wakes us up in the morning. Wake us up in the morning. Okay. Crow makes sound cow, cow, cow. Okay. Crow builds nest on trees. Okay. Crow lay eggs. Baby crow is called chick. Crow helps keep place clean. Okay. Crow has strong feet. Crow is seen in cities and village also. Okay. Crow is in village also. Crow is useful birds. Okay. Okay. I will ask question. Okay. I will call you one by one. Okay. Say Arab, what is a crow? Bird? Yeah, animal. Bird. Okay. Crow is a bird. Okay. Okay. Sibas, you say what is a crow? Bird? Yeah, animal.